This is our delicious almond butter. Doesn't it look so good? Oh my god, yes, you have to make this. Here I have my almonds that I roasted at 325 degrees for 10 minutes, and this is what they look like. All right, the next thing that you're going to need to make your almond butter will be salt. I have my Himalayan salt here, and I'm going to use half of a teaspoon of the Himalayan salt. You can use sea salt if you don't have the Himalayan salt. Let's go ahead and make our almond butter. Absolutely delicious. Let's go. So with my food processor, I am going to add my almonds. We're going to let this run for a minute. Very loud at first. And you just add your salt to it. Just like that. And we're just going to let it run for another 2 to 3 minutes. Check your machine. Make sure it's not overheating. Mine is not, but some machines, all machines are different. See the liquid starting to come in? So let's just go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Let's see. If you do try this recipe, don't forget to tag me at Maxine's Corner. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any videos. Okay, so let's just take a look at it. I'm just gonna let it blend out just a little bit more. Okay, so for me, this is the consistency that I like. This is the perfect consistency for me. I'm going to transfer this over to a container. So let's go ahead and do that. That, then in there. So this is our delicious almond butter. Doesn't it look so good? Oh my god, yes, you have to make this. So simple, so easy, and absolutely delicious. You can have your almond butter with apples. You can have it with bananas. You can have it any which way that you would like. So with my almond butter, what I would do is get small baguette. Put some almond butter on it. And you guys know I made some raspberry jam in my last video. I'm going to leave the link for that. And I'm just going to put this on top. Looks good, doesn't it? I know you want some. Sorry, you have to make your own. Alright, just like that. Look at that, guys. This is my raspberry jam and my almond butter. I'm going to enjoy. Woo! Anyway, it's great to make your own because you know exactly what you're eating and you know what's inside of it, right? You don't have to worry about preservatives or anything such as. Close this up and you're done. This is so delicious, easy to make, and it's only 2 ingredients. Alright guys, that's all I have for Maxine's Corner. If you love these type of videos, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. And what? Stay healthy.